Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can customize theme for Shopify or Shopify theme customization. So to do this procedure, you have to follow the steps. Now there are several different ways of doing it. So you could also use a third-party application. Either way, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest way on how you can do it without the need of third party. Now, first of all, you have to go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, you need to go to the theme section from which will be located in the left hand side bar. Then, what next you need to do is you need to go ahead and from the theme section, you need to press on add theme. Then you could go ahead and upload the theme from your device. Then when you're done adding the theme, move on to the next page where you could go ahead and explore free theme if you want to add it from the device itself. Okay, so now this procedure is only for those if you don't have any sort of theme, and if you want to explore free themes, you could go with this one, or else you could also visit the Shopify store. Select either one of it and move on to the next step where you have to go ahead and upload the theme. So make sure to adjust all of that, and with that you should be able to customize your Shopify theme. So with that, you've come to an end. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.